Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm going to show you how to make cake on your head. So, you're going to need 2 eggs, some flour, some sugar, and some butter. First, you need to take the butter just a little bit and get it nicely in there. Lovely. Then you need to cream in some nice granulated sugar. Tasty. Then you need to add 2 eggs. Break. Yeah, get it all in there. Then you need another egg. Break. Oh, I can't see. Get it all in there. Real nice. Now mix that all together. Let me just... Then you need to add some lovely plain flour. And once again, mix it all in. Now you need to stick your head in the oven for 1 hour and you will have perfect cake.